Want to take a break from Instagram? In this updated 2026 guide, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to temporarily deactivate your Instagram account safely using Android or iPhone. First of all, open the Instagram app on your smartphone and make sure you are logged into the account you want to deactivate. Once the app opens, tap your profile picture located in the bottom right corner of the screen to access your Instagram profile page. Next, tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, located in the top right corner. This will open the settings and privacy menu where all account options are available. Now, scroll slightly and tap on Account Center. Depending on your app version, this option may appear at the top or bottom of the menu. Account Center is where Instagram manages account settings, security, and personal information. Inside Account Center, tap Personal Details or Manage Accounts. After that, select Account Ownership and Control. This section contains options related to account management, including deactivation and deletion settings. Next, tap Deactivation or Deletion. Instagram will now display all accounts connected to your device. Select the Instagram account you want to deactivate temporarily. After selecting the account, choose Deactivate Account instead of Delete Account. Deactivation is temporary, which means your profile, photos, comments, and likes will be hidden until you log back in again. Tap Continue and Instagram will ask you to enter your account password for security verification. Type your password carefully, then tap Continue once more. Finally, tap Deactivate Account, following the instruction to confirm. Your Instagram account will now be temporarily disabled and hidden from other users until you decide to reactivate it by logging back in. I hope this guide helped you successfully deactivate Instagram. Like, share, and subscribe for more updated tech tutorials.